everyone, it's me, Terry of the Yarn Joy Podcast. Welcome to Vlogmas 2025, day 30. I hope your week is going by well. I put yesterday's scrap ball, which is the second to the last ball. I got one ball left. So I put yesterday's ball in. So let me show you that. It was this light peach color right there. And let's see, it's backwards. Okay, there is what it's looking like right there. It's going to be a good size, I think. You know, the width is pretty good as far as, you know, fitting on a lap. And it's touching the ground right there, and this is where it's fitting me. About to my waist. Yeah. And so we have one more color to put in. So let me go ahead and get that and open that package here for day 30. And we will see what the last color is going to be. Ooh, what a way to end off. So this is like a bright highlighter pink, I guess. Hot pink, I guess. Anyway, that's going to go right on top of there. Oh, that's going to be a great border. So speaking of border, I don't know if I'm going to make a border. Let's see where I ended off here. As far as actually completing a round. So here is where I stopped right here. Okay, so I got to finish that row. So that side right there, and then go down this side. No, let's see, and then go down this side. Okay, so that's where this round will be finished. And then I don't know. I was wondering if I'll just finish it off, and then I'm just wondering if I have I don't know if I'll have another, enough of it to go all the way around again. We'll have to see. If not, then I'll just finish the round because it ends right here. Okay, and then whatever I have left over, I can always put in my granny square, scrappy granny square blanket that is ongoing. So we will see. But yeah, this is the last and final color. And then, like I said, as far as a border, I don't know if I'm going to go around. I might finish the round and then maybe with black, maybe, or white, I don't know. But then I might go a complete round around. Might do that, one extra one. Anyway. So tomorrow will be day 31 of Vlogmas. So this blanket will be finished, and I will be revealing it tomorrow in tomorrow's Vlogmas day 31, which is the last day of Vlogmas. Okay, so yeah, so there's that's the color I'm going to be putting in. I do have a package. Where'd I put it? Oh, it's right here. I do have one final package to open from Terri. I'm about to drop something. Let me hang on here. Okay. Okay, so yeah, here is the last package. It's kind of heavy. Let's see what it is. I'm curious to see what it is. My scissors here. Ooh, what is this? Oh my word. Okay. Gotta cut down this way. Terri. Oh. Okay. Put that down there. So, oh my goodness. So it's a journal. Look at that. Suede journal, it says. I gotta open it. Oh, wait. Yeah, I can open it. It's got a nice snap. It's got a really nice suede cover. Okay, so it's just, it's lined. That's nice. Cool. Okay, and then what is this? Oh, that's nice. It's a weekly planner. And it's like a desk layout, I guess you'd say. And it's got multiple bunch of pages. So it's like 1 page per week. That's cool. Tabletop weekly planner. Very nice. So that's what it looks like. It's got Monday through Sunday, and then an extra one for like a preview of the following week. That's very cool. And then it's got a habit tracker down here, and then you check off each day that you complete that habit. I need that for exercise because I'm still not exercising. A to-do list, top priorities, weekly focus, and notes down here in the other corner. That's nice. Very nice. Thank you, Terri. And then, what is this? Looks like it's another type of notebook. Let me see. Let me open it. What I do with my scissors. Okay. Yeah. It's. I think that's what that is. Let me find a place where I can get my scissors in there. Oh, wait. Here it is. Okay. Okay, I think I got it, or I can peel it open here. Get the plastic off of it. Yeah. So they got them wrapped together. It says, just says notebook, ruled sheets. These are really cute, though. Here, I gotta cut that. Okay, there you go. Oh, look. Oh, the daisies. They're so pretty. And it's lined. Yeah, lined notebook. So there's this one. And then this one. Oh, they're so pretty. I like the flowers. So thank you so much, Terri. And as always, I enjoy so much doing Vlogmas Swap with you every year. It's such a fun time. I really love it. Okay. So that is my gifts, plural, for Vlogmas 2025 from Terri. So what did I do today? Well, let's see. I caught up with my temperature blanket. I had about 4 or 5 days, I guess. And so it's cold today. Yesterday, now I'm filming this on Monday actually, but yesterday, and you're seeing it on Tuesday, yeah. Yesterday, the high was 77, I think, 77 degrees. Well, the high today, it's only been about 47. Yeah, from one day to the next, it's about 30 degrees colder. So, we've just kind of been staying in the house. I haven't gone outside at all. I haven't even worked here in my craft room very much because the craft room in here, it does get a little bit chilly in here during the winter. So I haven't come in here. I've just been sitting at my desk and with my feet propped up, just kind of being lazy today. And crocheting though. So I finished that one round of Blanket Bonanza, which today you're seeing this on Tuesday. So that means that the Blanket Bonanza episode will be coming out later on this afternoon. So you'll get 2 videos from me today. Yeah. And so I finished that round that I wanted to finish, and then to be at a good stopping point. And then I weaved in the ends. Yes, I did. And then caught up with the temperature blanket and weaved in the ends on that. And so I caught up with the temperature blanket, and like I said, today is the 29th. You're seeing it on the 30th, but the day's 29th. So I have 29th, 30, 31. So I have 3 more days of temperatures on that temperature blanket. And then I'll have the following day, which would be New Year's Day. I do an average of the whole month of December, and that will be at the very top. So then I have a squared off edge on the top. I've been doing the monthly average each month. Anyway, so I've got 4 more things to do on there. 3 days and then the average. So that's 4 days, yeah. And then it'll be finished. So I'll go around it probably with black. That's what I'm kind of thinking. And then my temperature blanket will be complete. Oh my goodness. I, I made it through the whole year. So I will not be doing a temperature blanket this upcoming year. But now I can say that I have done a temperature blanket. In fact, I have done two, if you remember, because I did one for 2021, which was when my first grandbaby was born. And then I did this past year, which I think when I started it, I didn't know I was having a second grandbaby. So, but it just ended up that it's the temperatures from the year that he was born. So I think that's awesome, the way it worked out. So anyway, so yeah, so that's what I worked on. And then I got my Finish It Friday project, and I've done a little bit on that. I'm going to work a little bit more on that this evening, besides putting this last scrap ball in, finishing up my blanket. And then, let's see. So I've been working on my plans for 2026, trying to, and trying to figure out what I want to do. And I was making a list. A lot of the stuff is going to be continuing from what I've been doing this past year that I'm really enjoying doing, the different series that I'm doing. But I had an idea, and I haven't figured out exactly how I want to do it yet. I'm still trying to think about it. But it kind of will go along with like Stitch Your Library, okay? Another twist on Stitch Your Library maybe, and I haven't really figured out how I'm going to fit it in, you know. But I have years, I don't even know how many, but I have years worth of Crochet World magazines and a couple of other ones, but mainly it's Crochet World magazines. And I've got them in some magazine holders, you know, those plastic diagonal shape holders, you know, for magazines. Anyway, I have them, and I have, I think, 3 of them. I think there's 3, and they're down in this, you know, at the end of this table that you're sitting on, there's cubby holes on each end. And I have them on this side down at the bottom, and I have all those magazines. And a lot of them, I haven't even done any project out of them whatsoever. And so I was thinking that maybe I could work out a way to do it, but I really would like to. Maybe I draw a magazine, you know, out, and then whatever magazine I draw out, I don't know if I will go through them and number them and all that. I don't know if I'm going to do that, or I may, I don't know. I haven't decided. I need to look at them and see if I want to arrange them somehow or whatever. But anyway, maybe I can pick one, and then I have challenged myself that I have to make something out of that magazine, that issue, you know? And I don't know if I'll do it monthly or just whenever I finish that project, then I'll pick another one, you know? Because it might be some little project. I might find some little thing in there. I'm thinking, okay, well, I don't like any of the other projects, but I'll do this one, you know, or something. I don't know. But I thought that would be kind of fun. And I'm sure that many of you have Crochet World magazines, you know, because we keep all that stuff, right? Anyway, maybe if you happen to have that particular issue, you know, then maybe that will inspire you to do a project out of that particular issue or something. I don't know exactly how I'm going to do it, but I really would like to, because I just feel guilty when I have all these magazines that have patterns, and I have all these pattern books, and I don't work out of them. You know, so I even thought about numbering my cubby holes for my pattern books, and then pick one, and okay, I have to do something out of this, one of the books in this cubby hole, you know, or something. I don't know exactly. I'm still trying to figure it out, trying to think about how I want to do it. But anyway, that's about all that I've done today. I really haven't been in here to do any more cleaning or anything. Tomorrow's another day. So maybe I'll come in here tomorrow and do that. Like I said, I've got yarn. Like, here's a big jumbo skein right here. You know, I've got this. It just needs to go back into where it needs to go, because I can't remember what I used that for. Oh, yes, I do. I think I used that for Toad's vest that I made. Yeah, I think so. So anyway, I've got yarn that needs to go back into the cubby holes, you know, so and I haven't done it. And this desktop here is pretty loaded down again, and I need to straighten it up. So yeah, I'm going to try to get myself in here tomorrow and get some work done. And then I'll let you know, because we'll have a visit tomorrow, and I will let you know, what I did. And for you, tomorrow is Wednesday. Yeah. And that will also be, oh my goodness, day 31. Yes. So tomorrow for Vlogmas day 31, when you see day 31, then we will do the 2025 goal review. It's also going to be a Wednesday, which is normally crafting with friends. But I think what I'm going to do, since I'm already going to do a video for the goals review for 2025, goals review, blanket, Vlogmas blanket reveal. Okay. So, well, maybe. I'm just wondering if people will see it. But I was going to say, I already have the 2 projects that I want you to vote between, as far as which crafting with friends projects I do next. I've already got 2 I've picked out. One of them is the thing that was going to be a Christmas gift, and I just decided to put it on hold, but I do want to make it, and it'll end up being a birthday gift. And then the other one is it's an amigurumi, actually, because I haven't done one in a bit. Well, I did Toad, but since then I didn't make one anyway. So maybe I'll do that. I'll have the goals review video, which will be Vlogmas day 31, and then I will have a separate video that will be crafting with friends, and I will show you. It would be probably kind of short-ish, and I will show you the 2 projects that you can vote on, and then the following Wednesday, or before the next Wednesday, then I'll tally everything up, tell you what the winner is for the project that's going to be done, first between the 2, because I will do both of them. Yeah, I can do that. It'll just be probably a short video, but anyway, yeah. So, I think that's it. I guess I'll go now. So, come back tomorrow and we will have a visit for day 31 of Vlogmas. We'll end off Vlogmas. But check out the Blanket Bonanza video later today, okay? And I'll show you how much I've gotten done on that. And I've got some pictures to show you of other people's projects, so we'll do that too. And then tomorrow will be Vlogmas day 31, New Year's Eve. And you'll actually get 2 videos then if I do that crafting with friends separate. I might. It just will be probably a super short one, probably. I don't know. Anyway, yeah, you need to watch it though, so that way you can get your vote in. Okay, I'm going to go. See you tomorrow for Vlogmas day 31, and we'll this afternoon for Blanket Bonanza. But besides that, we will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas day 31. Okay, see you later. Bye.